Welcome back, friends. Adventure here. We're at part 3 of our hike through the park today, and most people that come to the park really are excited about going to the top of the hill and walking down to the ocean. That's the most popular trail. We're taking some of the side trails today, taking our time, and this one in particular is interesting. The top of the trail is actually a nice little botanical garden. So if you want to learn about some of the plants that you'll find here in the park, this is the perfect place to do that. As you can see, it's native plants, and then of course they have an explanation, naming of each one, so that you can get a good idea of what you're looking at here. If you're one of those biology types that's interested in plants. And as always, there's always a nice spot to take a break and sit and rest for a minute if you need to. Here's an explanation of the black sage that we got a good smell of at the beginning of our hike on the Guy Fleming Trail. Alright, so what you can do after exploring the botanical garden is head down the hill. So there is a trail, second part of this trail, that goes down into a little valley, and then we'll come back up the same way. Again, it's a loop. It does not go down to the ocean, so it will be just a side trail to take if you're interested. We'll pass on it today, but maybe come back another day and do this trail, but for now we're just going to continue on back to the road and head up the hill to the top, and then start our descent down to the ocean. Thanks to a lot of very good forward-looking people, we have the ability to come here to this beautiful park and enjoy it.